be one of us.
First fight, Dylan.
USI, E1 of us.
Alright, good afternoon ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the first game for today's BUCAL Season 3. USI versus Annunciation College. First ball possession. USI's basketball. Stolen by the Annunciation College. Number 12 drives into the key. And that's the first point of the game by number 12. Number 3, generating a play. To number 11. Number 6, drives, loses his balance, yet passes it to the side, didn't connect. Lap pass to the side from downtown, nothing but net. 3 points by number 8. Number 6. Generating a play to earn their first point to number 2. Number 11. Releases. No luck. Quick pass to number 13. Positioned. Heavily guarded. To the side. And another release from beyond the arc. No good this time. Number 6. Drives against all odds. And he nailed the first point for his team. Number 14, number 13, number 24, back to number 14. Shoots 3 points once again for the source of run team. Number 6 to number 11. Back to number 3. Attacks, loses the ball, and that's a turnover. Quick pass to number 14. And that was a strong layup. Number 3, bounce pass to number 6. Loses the ball. Number 22, reconnecting. Baseline drive from number 3 to number 6. Attacks. Loses the ball once again. Seven minutes and 37 seconds remaining time for the first period. Number 6. Number 11. Number 3. 3 points by number 3. Number 13. Number 24. Number 14. No good. Rebounded by number 11. Number 3. Number 11. Number 6. Turns around. Pass. What a play, but didn't reach the basket. Breakaway pass to number 14. Hits the layup. Number 11. Number 6. Drives. No luck. Second attempt. Pass to number 22. To number 6. And he nails the shot. Number 24 making a play. To number 14. Number 24, quick release. No good. Number 12 with a big rebound and a reverse layup. Running score, 12-7. Number 6, spins. Number 13, jumper. Perfect release. Number 8. Number 3 with a rebound. Number 11 drives, gets 5. Passes the ball, intercepted by number 24. Breakaway pass again to number 14. Deja vu. Five minutes remaining time for the first quarter. Number 6 spins around, but didn't reach the basket. Number 12 with a perimeter shot, and it connects. Number 3, number 11, back to number 3. Quick release. Sniper by number 3. Number 24. The number 13. Almost intercepted. Dunks. No good. Substitution, Annunciation College. Number 3. The number 22. Number 6. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Drive straight into the hoop. Number 14. Air ball. Number 6 loses the ball. Back to number 6. Second shot clock. 16 seconds. Number 6. 10 seconds shot clock. Teardrop. And that's the first deadlock of the game. USI now on their foot. Number 14 to number 24. Grimes, number 14. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. No good. Put back, didn't connect. Number 11, now with the ball. Number 22. No good. Number 30 with a big and heavy rebound. That's a turnover. Number 13. Quick jumper once again. No luck for that Hail Mary shot. USI now with the ball. Running score 18-16 in favor of Sorsogon. Number 11 from downtown, no good. 2 minutes remaining time for the first period. Quick release, hits the rim but not the basket. Number 6 spins around yet loses the ball. Number 14, that's a traveling violation. Substitution USI. Running score 18-16 in favor of Annunciation College. 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining time for the first quarter. Number 3, the number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. That's a shot clock violation. 1 minute and 17 seconds remaining time. Number 14. Blind pass to number 12 to number 13. Pump fix. Back to number 14. And he nailed the three-point shot. That's number 14 from the Annunciation College. Number 29, the number 3. The number 11. Foul number 24. First personal foul, first team foul. 14-second shot clock, 45 seconds game clock. Lap pass inside. 12-second shot clock. Timeout, USI.
May bawas din.
Alright, we're back to the ball game. Once again, the running score 21-16 in favor of Annunciation College. Twelve seconds to shoot. Number 11 with an open three-point attempt and a foul was called. Foul number 14. 3 shots. Number 14, first personal foul, second team foul. He makes the first one. He nailed the second. No good for the third shot. 39 seconds. Generating the final play. Baseline drive to the side. Number 14, teardrop connects. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. 14 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Traveling violation. 0.88 seconds. Once again, 0.88 seconds. And that's the end of the first quarter. With the score 23-18 in favor of Annunciation College. And we're down to the second quarter of the match. You're still watching USI versus Annunciation College. Welcome po sa mga dumayo pa mula sa Sorsogon to support their players and to those who are watching live sa IMJ Interactive. Thank you so much. Next game would be Amando Cope College versus the City College of Naga. Number 7 to number 17. Intercepted by number 11. Drives, baseline, quick pass to number 12. Slightly rejected. Number 7. Lab pass to number 11. Back to number 7. To number 11, from beyond the arc, no luck. Second attempt, and the whistle is blown. Foul number 22. First personal foul, first team foul. And he makes the second shot. Number 29 to number 3. To number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 7 to number 11, back to number 7, to number 26, to number 11, bounce pass inside, back to number 11, 10 seconds to shoot, 5 seconds, number 3, to number 26, intercepted. Number 7, to number 11 with an open three-point attempt, but didn't reach the hoop. Number 29 to number 3, from long range, no good. Number 7, to number 11, to number 26, number 29, didn't make the layup. Number 7, number 26, no good. Puts back by number 12. Number 29 to number 2. Number 12, number 29, traveling violation. Number 7 to number 26, with a jumper. Number 29. Number 11, quick release. No luck for a three-point attempt. Number 25 with a breakaway pass and a layup by number 17. We're down to a two-digit lead of the Annunciation College against USI. Number 22, number 29, 10 seconds to shoot. Pushes hard, but didn't reach the board. Number 17, Number 29. Stolen from behind. Stolen once again. By number 12. Spins around and a pass. What a sniper shot by the two of them. Number 11. The number 7 fires from downtown. No good. Substitution. Number 6, the number 22, the number 29, the number 6, 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 7. First personal foul, first team foul for number 7. 12 seconds shot clock, 12 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. Number 26, the number 7. Number 28, 29, pass to the side. Foul number 11, first personal foul, second team foul. Substitution. Number 6. 10 to shoot. Foul number 12. Number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. Alley-oop shot, but didn't make it. Number 29 to number 12, to number 6. To number 29, 10 seconds to shoot. Throws the ball into the air, but didn't make it. Number 26, to number 14. Number 26, 3 points. Number 29 to number 6. Number 29. Stolen by number 14 for an easy layup. Number 6. Number 13 loses the ball, looking for someone. Intercepted. Quick pass to number 7, and a foul was scored. Foul number 26. First personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. Number 14. To number 26. Quick pass to the side to number 14. No good. 10 seconds. Number 13 with an interception. Number 6 drives. Number 12. Back to number 12. Number 6 attacks. Foul number 17. First personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. Number 6, nailed it. Running score 33-23. Number 11, 3 points. Number 6 spins around, bounce it, shoots from the board straight into the basket. Timeout, Annunciation College. Traveling violation. Number 6, drives. Misses the ball and it's a turnover. Two minutes remaining time. Shout out kay Kaila. Number 8. No good. Number 3. Breakaway pass intercepted by the Annunciation College. Number 14, stolen from behind. Timeout, Annunciation College. Number 13 to number 24. Foul was called. Foul number 13. First personal foul, third team foul. He makes the first one. Number 17 with a rebound. And that puts back 2 times but didn't reach the hoop. Number 6. To number 11. 10 to shoot. 5 seconds. Stolen by the Annunciation College. Quick pass to number 24 from downtown. Misses. Number 13. Intercepted by number 6. 1 minute to end time. Number 13. No luck. Number 6 once again. To number 9. To number 3. Number 11 from downtown, 3 points. Number 14. Number 24. Number 8. Number 3. Shot clock is up. Seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds to play. 5 seconds. That's the end of the first half with a score 37-20.
Come to USI. Be one of us. one of us.
Back to number 14. Number 12. Stripped away to the side and a shot by number 25. Number 6. Number 11. The number 3. From long range, falls short. Number 24. Dribbles. Bounce pass to inside, 10 seconds to shoot. From the board, straight into the basket. Running score, 41-28. On the lead is the Annunciation College. Number 6. Drives to number 3. Back to number 6, pump fakes. 10 seconds to shoot. Quick pass to number 30. 5 seconds to shoot. Throws the ball into the last second. Number 24 loses his guard and reaches the basket. Stolen from behind, yet out of bounds. Number 11. Basket, 3 points. Number 14. Second personal foul, first team foul. Number 11 completed the 4-point play. Number 14. Foul number 12. Number 12, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 11. Traveling violation by number 11. Number 14. The number 24. To the side. Number 13. With a perimeter shot. No good. From long range, no luck. Big rebound, yet out of bounds. Medic. Substitution USI. Number 6. Number 3. From long range. Nola. Big rebound by number 25. The number 24. Shoots. No good. Number 22. The number 6. What a drive and a pass. And he nailed the shot. Number 24. Shoots. 3 points. Seconds. Number 6. Breakaway pass to number 24. Easy layup. Running score 48-34. Still leading Annunciation College. Number 29 to number 6. 10 seconds to shoot. No good. Big rebound by number 25. Another breakaway pass, but too strong. Salting for a turnover. Inbound to number 3. Back to number 6. Dribbles. The number 3. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Shoots. 3 points. 5 minutes remaining time for the third period. Number 24, heavily guarded by number 6 to the side. Pump fakes. And a perimeter shot. Perfect release by number 14. Number 6. Generating a play. Looking for someone. Number 20. Spotted. Skins around. Teardrop. No good. Number 24 with a lob pass to number 13. Number 12. Looks the balance. From long range. Another miss. Foul number 12. Second personal foul, third team foul. Number 2. Drives to number 13. Number 14. Against 2. Number 14, baseline drive and a jumper. And he nailed. Number 3. Number 29. Number 6. Drives into the tee. Foul number 24. Second personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. No good for the first one. He makes the second. Number 14 to number 24. Quick pass to number 13. Back to number 24 and a release. No good. Number 6. With a rebound. Bounce pass inside. And he loses the ball. Breakaway to number 12. And a reverse layup. What a shot by number 12. Number 29. Fires. No good. Number 24. Number 14. Another 3 points by number 14. Number 6. Number 29. No good. Number 29. And pass it to the opponent. Number 24. With a nice and heavy layup. Foul number 13. Number 32nd personal foul, first team foul. Substitution. Substitution. Number 7. Number 14. Number 24. No good. Turnover. 2 minutes remaining time for the third period. Number 7, the number 11, the number 23, rejected. Second attempt, and he nailed it. Number 24, the number 11. Number 13. Number 14. The number 24. Back to number 14. The number 12. The number 24. The number 11. 3 points by number 11. Seconds to play. Spins around. That's a traveling violation. 44 seconds remaining time. Foul number 23. First personal foul, penalty. No good for the first one. No luck for the second. Number 7 drives. The number 17 attacks. No good. Rebounded by number 24. Number 4 with the save. The number 17. Easy layup. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And that's the end of the third quarter. With the score 65-41. Still leading Annunciation College. And we're down to the fourth and final quarter of the match. You're still watching Annunciation College versus USI. Number 11 to start the quarter but didn't reach the basket. Number 30. To number 11. Back to number 6. Attacks. 9 seconds to shoot. 9 seconds. Players to the free throw lines. Players to the free throw lines. No huddle. Players to the free throw line, no huddle. Players to the free throw line. Warning for number 26 for unsportsmanlike behavior. Warning number 6 for faking a foul. 9-second shot clock. Number 11 releases. Number 3 out of bounds. USI basketball. 11 seconds. Once again, 11 seconds. The jumper, no good. Number 26 to number 7. Number 23 shoots, no good. 9 minutes remaining time for the fourth and final quarter. Number 6. The number 22. The number 30. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Foul number 23. Second personal foul, first team foul. 14 seconds to shoot. Next game would be ACC versus CCN. Number 3. Number 6. Shoots and he misses. Number 7. Bounce pass to number 23. No good. Foul number 23. Number 23, technical foul. Once again, technical foul for once again, next game would be Amando Cope College versus City College of Naga. On September 7, we'll be having the first semifinals for the Juniors Division. Once again, on September 7, that would be the first semifinals for Juniors Division. Number 23 of Annunciation College, technical foul for sportsmanlike behavior. Fourth personal foul for number 23, warning for exclusion. Okay, once again, number 23 of Annunciation College, fourth personal foul, warning for exclusion. Third team foul. Number 6 to number 30. Heavily guarded. Number 3, 10 seconds to shoot. Quick pass to number 11. Releases. Didn't reach the board. Number 26 drives to number 7. Blind pass to the side. And another pass. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 6 with a breakaway pass to number 11. Timeout, Annunciation College.
Ang technical, magaling mo na ito. Technical ball ko. Technical ball.
And we're back to the ball game. Number 7. Number 7. Shoots. No good. Shout out sa mga student ambassadors. Sana mahanap nyo na ang hinahanap nyo. Number 6 shoots. What a drive. Number 7. Number 6 with a quick interception. Into a layup. Back-to-back points for USI. Slowly catching their breath. Number 7. Number 23. Number 26. The number 17. The number 23 with a quick jump shot. No good. Number 11 with a quick three-point attempt. No luck this time. Number 11 straight layup. Number 6 generating a play. Foul number 26, second personal foul, fourth team foul. Warning for penalty. 14-second shot clock. Number 11. Number 26 drives, beauty step, and a foul was scored. Foul number 13. Third personal foul, first team foul. He makes the first one. Let's do chickens in the bucket by number 26. Number 22. Number 11. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds. Second attempt. Third attempt. Fourth attempt. And no luck for their shots. Number 7, blind pass to the side. What a play by Annunciation College. Number 6, Euro step, but didn't reach the basket. Five minutes remaining time for the final quarter. Number 26, pump fakes, drives against 3. Foul number 26, third personal foul. Offensive foul. Number 3, the number 30, the number 6, 5 to 2, and a foul was scored. Foul number 7, penalty. Second personal foul for number 7, penalty. For the semifinals, Junior Division on September 7. First game at the Ateneo Gymnasium, 1 p.m. That would be Daraga National High School versus USI. To be followed by NCF versus UNC at 3 p.m. Once again, semifinals for the Juniors Division on September 7. Daraga versus USI and NCF versus UNC. Number 11, dribbles and dribble sword, teardrop, no luck. Number 29, the number 6, pump fakes. Foul number 7, third personal foul, penalty. He makes the first one. No good for the second one. From long range, number 23 shoots, plus a foul. Foul number 30, fourth personal foul. Warning for exclusion. Second team foul. No good for the first one. And another attempt. And another one. And they nail it. Big rebounds for the Annunciation College. Running score 75-50. 3 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. And by number 6, number 7, no luck for a shot. Number 6, pump fakes. Fires a 3. Still no good. Number 17. Number 7, number 11, fires a 3 points. Number 6, number 3, shoots. Lap pass to number 23, to number 11. Fires. No good. Bounce pass, yet intercepted by number 20. So number 20, no good. Number 29, the number 6, and the layup didn't connect. Last 2 minutes. Number 11, spins, turns, rejected by number 7. Breakaway pass to number 6, to number 13. And he nailed the shot. Foul number 6. First personal foul, third team foul. Number 7. Number 3. Breakaway pass to number 24. Attacks. And the floater. Close. Number 24. Fires a 3. 3 points by number 12. Stolen and recovered, number 23. Another 3 points. Substitution. Number 14. Fires another 3. No good. Number 7, number 11, another down shot, no good. Rebounded by number 7, to number 24, 30 seconds remaining time. To number 14. Shot clock is off, 23 seconds. Rebounded by number 9. 10 seconds. And that's the end of the match with a score 83-57. Winner, Annunciation College.
Come to USI, be one of us.